In front of me is an iPhone 3A Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this gear at the top right corner to adjust all of those options. In this case, high quality format. You can also read terms and conditions if you wish to. When you're ready to finally start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. Before it, you can pick one of those modes. Hit allow. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To discard it right away, hit this X at the top left corner, and to end it and save it, save at the bottom right one. Then name it and hit save. To play it, click on it. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those options. You can also go back and hold it here to operate all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!